everyone. Welcome, guys. Welcome. Hey, Dean. Welcome, Dean. Welcome. Hey, Solomon. Welcome. Hey, Joe. Welcome, Joe. Welcome. All right, guys. Let's go over the markets. Let's see here. Um, the Dow was down. S&P was down. Nasdaq was up. Russell was up. The VIX is still holding at around 13 and change. All right. So we did have some selling. But the market recovered and then closed down. Very active day for Forex. All right, so we have a very, very active day. And we took our first trade with Monster Dollar. I want to show you guys this trade here. All right. So where is it here? So Monster Dollar. We're really excited about this system, and we definitely look to put it to work. 1 second. One second here, guys. All right. Also, Monster US 30. Okay, here we did have a long trade that closed, and that came in quick, right? Came in really quick here. Well, buy signal was here, was trading really nice, was holding. You guys can see that here it was holding. This big candle here is what got us out. All right, so we should be out of the US 30. All right, but still hold, right? Not hold the trade, but just hold on. And price is moving higher again. All right, so if we can break through resistance at 34,227, we could get a buy signal. So pay close attention to that. Our US 30 traders, we do have a nice markdown phase. It's a pity that this trade closed. If you were quick to get out, you probably got it with a small profit there. On the daily time frame. We do have some green candles building here. All right, so that's good. It held support, so we just need to hold and move higher, break resistance. Now, this is the Dow. So if the Dow, the Dow fails, the US 30 will fail, but just trade it candle by candle right now, right? Candle by candle. And right now we got green candles here, right? On the 60 minutes. So green candles and price is building here. So we'll look for hopefully another buy signal. Okay. Here is the trade, our first trade, guys, with Monster Dollar, and an absolutely great trade here going. Buy signal is right here. Here it is right here, and it's holding. We do have resistance right about, let's see here. We have resistance, near-term resistance, not a big deal. Okay, so right about here is resistance right here. Right here, all through here is resistance, but good price action. Don't have any direction on the daily. Okay, so the daily is right here, and no direction. Right, sitting right between support and resistance. All right, here is resistance. Here is support. Here it is right here. White neutral candles. So we've got, we're trading it right here. Hopefully it move higher. All right. So a good trade going there. All right. Let's take a look at, let's see here. I want to show you guys the futures market. We missed a really good trade with the VIX, and it's disappointing when we miss big trades like this. No, it's not a really, really big trade, But it's a fairly decent trade with the VIX. And we really should have caught that trade, because if you guys look here, all right, here's the VIX, and that VIX been going down for a while. All right, we know that. And it was coming in and out. All right, in and out in our monster futures. So we missed it. We missed it. So here it is right now. They're solid. They're solidly buying on the VIX. So here it is right here. VIX right here. All right, and I think it's down here. All right, also VIX right here. But we did catch the gold, right? That gold short. All right, we have a position in that gold short. So gold. So here's the VIX right here. This is the trade. All right, look at that trade. All right, great, great VIX short trade going here. Okay, so we did miss this trade, but gold, that gold short. All right, we should have that position in that. So the gold short is, where is it? Right over here. Let's see. And then we'll get right into Forex. Forex was very active today. All right, so here is, all right, here is that gold short here. Gold short, and we might look for more opportunities to go short. I think palladium might have a short opportunity. Okay, but we'll take a look at that. If I remember, in monster metals. Okay, so let's go through monster scalper. All right, monster scalper long positions are very active today. Very, very active. Right at, what am I doing? Hold on. Right at the market, the New York session open. So 8:30. We got a lot of price action. Okay, so monster scalper. Come on, long positions. All right. Okay, so the yen pairs. Keep an eye on the yen pairs, guys. It's too early, but we could see where price is slowing a bit. We did get a sell short signal in Aussie yen today. All right, so I know the Aussie yen is probably following the Aussie pairs short, but you know, these yen pairs have been running up for quite some time now. All right, so a lot of these pairs are up 500-600 pips, right, or roughly 500-600%. They usually retrace after about 4 months or so. So when we catch a really good run, not 4 months, 4 weeks. So after we catch a really good run, usually they'll start, you know, going through that distribution phase, then markdown phase again. They don't run forever. So it's still early, but if you're in those trades, just pay close attention to those, all right? Because they might be coming to an end. So SGD JPY buy signal is here, still holding, all right? Still holding nicely there. All right. Pound yen. All right. Pound yen buy signal is here, holding here. All right. Came down a bit, holding their support right here. If you guys look here, it is failing to make new highs. All right. So we got support resistance right about here, and it's trading right below resistance here. And we can actually add right here too. So for a period of time, it hasn't been making new highs. Tried here, came back here. So it is slowing in price. I know it's hard to see when we have these green candles here, but it is slow. They're slowing a bit. All right. Swiss yen. All right. Swiss yen, it's holding here. All right. Euro yen holding here. We do have purple support and resistance. Okay. And like I said, they've been running for a while now. I'm going to turn, hold on one second here. I'm going to bring in a time frame. All right. So this was 6-9. All right. 6-9 when we got this buy signal. All right. And today is what? The 28th. Okay. So what? 3 weeks, almost 4 weeks, not quite 4 weeks yet. All right. So just know they might be slowing down a bit. All right. But still pay attention to your system. All right. They can certainly break higher, but usually a good 3 to 4 weeks is what we get when we catch a run on the 240-minute time frame, so the forward time frame. Okay. Euro-ZAR buy signal is here. That's holding, right? The euro pairs try to make a move. Euro SGD buy signal is here, right? Lots of pips here. EURPLN, these are new trades that came in today. All right. We could get a nice move in the euro pairs, guys. Okay, so nice markdown phase. All right, so it's due. Euro pairs are due for a nice bounce up in the markup phase. All right, Euro CAD. All right, same thing here. All right, nice markdown phase. All right, buyers came in today. All right, really good resistance here. All right, hopefully it move higher. Euro New Zealand buy signal is here, came in today. That's looking good. I heard from a few of you that caught this trade and doing okay with it so far. EURTRY, all right, buy signal is here. That's been going for a while there. All right. And then the dollar pairs, all right, dollar, we have that, I mentioned that first trade in monster dollar. So the dollar is trying to make a move higher. Keep an eye on those dollar pairs, all right? We'll take a look at those in monster scalper this evening. So buy signal is here, right? Dollar SGD is holding. USD CNH, right? Buy signal is here. Nice trade going there. USD PLN, another new one here. Nice markdown phase. Buy signal holding. I know they made a nice pop and then retrace a bit. Just hold on to the trade, guys. All right. Nice buy markdown phase. This is dollar CAD. Nice markdown phase. Buy signal here. Taking a break, but just hold on. USD TRY. All right. That's the other Turkish pair. Buy signal is here. That's holding. Not a very good candles here, but hey, they're moving. USD NOK. All right. Let's see here. We gotta get out of this one here, guys. Okay, so USD not very good price action here. All right, red candles here. All right, got back in, but so far not doing well. So USD NOK, and we got a new down here, so that's not good. All right, pound HKD. All right, we should be out of that. Why? I don't know why. That's there. Pound dollar. Wait a second. Hold on. Just remove those. All right. All right. I thought we went. Hold on. All right. I thought we went short. I'll get back to this. I'm all over the place this evening, guys. All right. Short. Let's see here. Short positions. All right. So New Zealand CAD short. All right. New Zealand CAD short. We're still holding that short. Aussie dollar short, still looking good, guys. Look at this. Aussie dollar sell short signal is here, all the way down there. Aussie Swiss, all right, and Aussie yen joined also. So Aussie Swiss, look at this great short here, still holding. So if anyone is in it, just continue to hold. Aussie New Zealand, sell short signal is here. White candles came in. We got sellers coming back in here. Okay. All right. And then Aussie yen, that's a new short. Okay. But this could be, I know the Aussie yen is following these Aussie pairs here, but it could be a sign for the yen pairs. Okay. To start that markdown phase. So good trade on the long side. Okay. So I'm going to bring in that signal on the long. All right, so good trade here, bought here, sold here on the long trade, and then here it is short and looking to break support here. Perfect trading for Aussie yen. Keep in mind, if these yen pairs start to get into the distribution phase, all right, those will be great shorts because they've gone up so far, all right. I wouldn't say they've gone up fast. They've taken their time, but they've gone up quite a bit. So those could be some really, really good shorts. So we want to be preparing, taking profits long, and then getting ready to go short. Okay, they don't go up forever. All right, and we actually got a short. We went short just to show you guys. With Monster Yen. All right, so we put that system to work also. Okay, so where is it? Monster Yen. And, come on. All right, that is slow, guys. Okay, hold on. All right, so here it is here. Here's the short here in pound yen. All right, Monster Yen, new system, short signal here. It's holding right here. All right, so we just needed to come down and break support here. Okay, so just like I said, it's too early for the yen pairs, all right, to really go short, but I would think within the next week, just keep an eye on them. If you start getting sell signals, we'll know things are setting up. All right. Forex dominator. Forex dominator. Forex dominator. Long positions. Long positions. Okay. USD CNH. All right. Buy signal is there. Still holding well. Aussie yen. Aussie yen. All right. So buy signal is here, holding support here. Remember, as we get selling in Monster Scalper, that will influence this long position here in Forex Dominator. So if anyone is holding it in Forex Dominator, if you get a white candle, I would say really pay attention, okay, because that can continue. Aussie CAD, right? Buy signal is here, right? Holding nicely, okay. Swiss yen, right? Buy signal is here, holding nicely. For about that Swiss yen, that's a lot of pips, guys. That's over 1,000 pips. So that's over 1,000%. Swiss yen has been running for a while. That's about almost 1,200 pips, 1,200%. Okay. Euro yen. All right, buy signal is here, moving nicely here, lots of pips. Pound yen, buy signal is here, trading nicely there. All right, pound yen, that's for about 700 pips. So Swiss yen is really the one that's really moving. HKD JPY, right? That's holding nicely. And Forex Dominator has done a really good job holding these trades, guys. SGD JPY, Singapore yen, holding, and then ZAR yen, all right, right here, holding right here. All right. Um, the pound pairs finally is making a move. All right, pound pairs finally making a move. Pound Aussie, all right, buy signal came in today, right here, looking to break resistance. Pound Swiss, all right, is right here. Retraced a bit today. HKD, all right, pound HKD is holding here. Pound New Zealand, right, looking to break through the highs right here. All right, pound SGD, all right, and pound dollar is still holding here. Okay, but look at pound SGD, good trading going there. As far as the shorts, now, all those signals were sent out today, so we will not look for buy signals. We'll take a look at the condition of Forex, though. So, no, we won't look for any signals. We send those out today. Right, so shorts in Forex Dominator. USD MXN. All right, still trading nicely, guys. Just holding that short trade go there. EuroCAD. Keep an eye on EuroCAD. All right, the Euro pairs are moving higher. Right, we got a lot of buy signals today. Right, and they're coming out of really good charts coming out of the markdown phase. Okay, so right here, EuroCAD. Right, it's really testing resistance right here. So you get a green candle, if it breaks through that resistance, green candle here, close this trade. All right. If you want, you can close it now to protect yourself. But the way the Euro pairs are setting up in Monster Scalper to go long, that is a concern there. All right. Euro pound, that one closed. See here. All right. So this short here, Euro pound, sell short signal is here. Right. Broke through resistance right here. A perfect exit right there. Okay, so Euro pound, close that trade. And like I said, those Euro pairs are making a move in Monster Scalper to go along. Here's a new short trade we took today. New Zealand Swiss. All right, it's got pretty good support here, but that doesn't mean it can't break through. All right, but that we traded it at the low here, but really good. What looks good is some really good short trades. Here's a good short trade. If we go back right here, nice short trade here. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 very profitable, guys, short trades. Okay, and again, that's on the daily time frame. So we could see where it breaks down even further. Okay, so they're really shorting that New Zealand Swiss, and they're doing a good job with it. Okay. All right. New Zealand CAD. Lots of opportunities, guys. We've been on the right side of these trades for quite a while now. All right. Quite a while now. So just being on the right side, you'll do well. Okay. You'll have, to clean things up here and there, but we've been on the right side of these trades. So that's good to see. New Zealand CAD sell short signal is here, right? Breaking through support right there, redistribution, and dollar CAD. All right, keep an eye on this one. All right, this was the one that's a concern. This is definitely a concern here. As a matter of fact, we'll close this trade. I don't want to look at it anymore. All right, we've got. Let me show you guys here. We've got really well-defined support and resistance here. All right. This is where the shorts failed. All right, and the system failed. All right, really good support here. All right, buyers came back in, came back in, came back in, and here we are. Price is not holding. We really need it and need to hold the price below support. And guess what? We're hoping that it would continue to move down. Here's our sell short signal here. It's right here. There's a good chance. And with the dollar trying to move higher, there's a good chance this dollar CAD guys could get back in this box and move higher. Can't take that risk. Look what it's done 3 times. Okay, so that's not good. So we're gonna close that. If you're in it, all right, there's a little profit in there and just be done with it. Okay, so dollar CAD, we are going to close that trade. Okay. All right. If it moves down, no big deal. There are other trades, but too risky. Okay. All right. Let's take a look at equities. Before we do that, um, let's take a look at the condition of Monster Scalper. All right. So, if you guys look here, right? So, a lot of selling in the Aussie and Kiwi. All right, we're starting to get a little bit of selling right here in the yen pairs. Nothing to be majorly concerned with, but just keep an eye. Like I said, they've been running up for a while, so expect some type of rotation out. All right, and then we're getting buy-in. Right, we're starting to get buy-in into the dollar pairs. Okay, euro pairs. Look at the euro pairs. We got a lot of signals. When we get rapid signals like this, like we did this morning, right? I think we might have sent out 8 or 10 signals. Just know that there is a movement. Something is happening. And look at this, the euro. Look at the euro, right? All blue, right? So capital is flowing there, and then the pound pairs are mixed. Okay, so just keep that in mind. We still have nice volatility in forex. All right, most of the pairs there are above 20. All right, so they're above 20, and yellow, that's good. Not a lot that are consolidating. These are the only ones that are consolidating. So that's great to see. Okay, really, really good to see. So, and they're holding that volatility in forex. That's why we see this continued move. All right, in forex. As far as forex dominator, same thing. All right, we have a lot of pairs that are above 20. Okay, so we're seeing good price action, right, in forex dominator also. Okay, the dollar pairs, these are red here, but guess what? They will turn. All right, and then these could turn also. All right, we're starting to see shorts come in the Aussie pairs. They'll happen first in forex in Monster Scalper. All right, that rotation will happen first. All right, in forex dominator, and then eventually get to I'm sorry, Monster Scalper, and then eventually get to forex dominator. All right, all right, all right. Stock boss. All right, I'm gonna run stock boss, and then we'll take a look at the picks. All right, so 71 in stock boss. Heat seeker 92. All right, so we do have some symbols. Let's go through the current trades in stock boss. Again, we're looking for a white candle. So white candle, we pay attention to those. Red candle, close the trade. Sell signal by your system, close the trade. All right. Hold on. LILM. All right, breaking through resistance right here, breaking through resistance. Good markdown phase. All right, good markdown phase. Buy signal was at what, 80, 90, 92. Trading right now at 160, so almost 100% there. So let's go through these. All right, we're looking for white candles. This one here, Alto, that's breaking out. Right, open. Look at open, guys. That's breaking out there. That's what we want to see. The buying started yesterday, right? With these trades really started to turn around. EOSE, all right. Buy signal is here, right? Really good trade going there, all right. BKSY, right? Nice big candle broke out today, right over here. So we want to pay attention to right here. All right, so if you guys look here, all right, JMIA, all right, buy signal is here, held support, all right, big green candle. That's what we want to see after those white candles, all right? Tells us that buyers are coming back in, okay? Good price action so far for a bit of a rocky day. Up and down today, up and down. EVLV, all right. Perfect sell signal, guys. All right, by the system, buy signal came in here at 328, right? Broke support right here. White candle sell signal at 543. So close that trade. All right. All right. Good trade goal. That's a great trade. In Stock Boss. CMAX, white candles. Pay attention to that. Good trade going here. All right, buy signal here at what was that? $1.15, trading at 225. All right, almost 100% here. MPLN, really good price action. Look at the markup phase, guys. When we talk about the markup phase or the markdown phase, we want smooth price action. All right, on the way down. All right, because there's a good chance we can get the same thing on the way up. All right, and this is a good example. All right, you guys might want to take a screenshot of this, okay, or a picture of this to see this is absolutely a great setup here, a great setup, and then good support down here. All right, had good support, so just in case, right, buyers didn't come in, broke support, we could have a clean exit like the previous trade here. Okay, so bought here, sold here, buyers came back in, big candle, and look what it's doing here. And very clean candles, very clean price action on the way down. And so far, very good price action, nice clean candles. All right, no purpose support and resistance on the way up. Okay, perfect trading here. Perfect trading with a good risk reward. So that's at 100% already, and it could go much higher. All right. All right. VMEO, white candles. Pay attention to that. There's a good chance we have a nice trend line, upward trend line holding that price right here. All right, so there's a good chance buyers could come in. Okay. Nice price action there. All right. MLVA, right? White candle here. Pay attention to that. We're almost done with Stock Boss. And guess what? They're holding, right? GLYC, white candles, consolidating there. Pay attention to that. Much better price action. I was a bit concerned with the rocky trading today, but OPRT, right? By white candle, pay attention to that. All right, so we'll definitely look for new opportunities today. All right, tonight. OPOWW, white candle, pay attention to that. And you've got really good resistance here, guys. So if anyone is in it, watch this trade here. You get a red candle, all right, or you start breaking through support here, close the trade, okay? Could get back into the box here. All right. Very encouraging for Stock Boss, okay? All right. Now let's take a look at Bullmaster stocks. Remember, Stock Boss below $10, stocks that are below $10. Bullmaster above $10, large cap stocks, and they've done a really good job holding, right? Holding their trends. So let's see how they did today. All right, we're going to pay attention to over here, right? The price action, current price action over here. Not over here, right? We do want to look at the markdown phase, but here's the trade going right here. So Kavana, look at Kavana, all right? CVNA, all right? And this one had a really good markdown phase, right? Really good markdown phase. Some consolidation in here, which is normal. And look at this, a decent markdown phase. A big candle came in here. The buy signal was at 1066, trading at $28, guys. So that's over 100% already. Okay, so and let's see what the potential is. It could go much higher. Look at that. Really good risk reward. That fell from 371, guys, and it's at 100% already. All right, over 100%. If it breaks through, that's 300%, 200%, right? All right, so because it bought at right at 10 and change. Okay, so good trade there going, and it's holding nice there. Right, all right, so good trade, good trade. Redfin, another one right here. RDFN, buy signal is here. Buyers came in today in a big way. All right, so far, Bullmaster looking good. Let me know if you guys have any symbols. Let me know if you want, just send it if you want me to take a look at symbols. Good price action. Look at this. That's exactly what we need to see. OM, white candles holding support there. Pay attention to it if you're in it. TWST, that's looking to break resistance, guys. Okay. AFRM, white candle there at support. Pay attention to that. Okay. Look at Tesla. All right. Buy signal here was at right at 201, holding now at 256. Let's take a look at the potential here. It fell from 400. All right. Not bad. All right. Pretty good price action there. All right. ROKU, Roku. All right, buy signal is here. White candles, we got a green candle today, so that's good. PLUG, white candles, pay attention to that. Don't be quick now to get rid of if it's got a white candle, right? Markets are moving again, right? Stocks are moving again, so don't be so quick. Just pay attention to those. Make sure that they're holding and your buyers are coming back in. Really good price action, guys. Look at this. After a down day on the Dow, but S&P and Russell was up. Green candle today. What's that? LMND, white candles. Pay attention to that. Keep it on your radar. SWAV, white candles. All right. That's not a major concern there, guys. We just need buyers to come back in. It's holding nice. We do have a purple support and resistance, but look here. We got a yellow support and resistance right here. All right. So that's your current right here. Okay. All right. It's very good price action. We're almost done with Bullmaster and nothing to close. All right, BKU, white candles here, holding support. Pay attention to it. Like I said, I won't be quick to close them right now. Market's holding currently. Everything is currently. BFH, white candles there. Hold that. Holding support. VBTX, all right, white candles there. KMT, white candle there. SFNC, white candles, just hold those. All right, and that's it. All right, so much better job. Really good price action in both Stock Boss and Bullmaster. All right, so we'll definitely take a look at see if we can find some opportunities this evening. Yeah, okay. It's good to see stocks are holding. Now we can see both markets do well. All right, that's always great. Usually when Forex does great, right, equities are selling off. All right. So it's good to see both markets performing well, and even the futures market performing well. All the markets are doing well. All right, nice volatility, nice volume. All right, so let's go here to Stock Boss, and we'll run it again just to make sure. So 73. All right, stocks today. We had 50, I think 50 and change yesterday. So they're coming in again. That's good. All right. So we're looking for new buy signals. New buy signals came in today. We'll go through this quickly. All right. COMM. All right. Nice buy signal. Nice markdown phase. Buy signal came in right here. Perfect buy signal. Broke resistance. That's our purple line here. Buy signal today. All right. Right at 531. So that is COMM in Stock Boss. All right. Remember, our Stock Boss traders, once a day, just go through these. You never know, right? And let's go through it quickly. Imagine manually going through. We track 22,000 stocks, guys. So imagine manually doing this, right? All this research, right? So if this is all we've got to do once a day, right, we can do this. I win this one, I think. Yes. Most of these we're already in. We're in already. All right. So only one, and that's fine. All right. We have a lot already. So COMM, which was this one here, and that's a pretty good trade. COMM. That's a good setup right here. All right. So that's the only one this evening. Not a great risk reward, guys. It fell from 13. It's at trading at 5, 62. Okay, but not a bad trade there. Okay, all right. All right. So we should be right on time. Remember, Monster Scalper Forex Dominate, we send out those trades already. All those trades came in this morning. So we'll wait for the next round. Let's see how many in. So we have 90, 93. You guys remember we went all the way down to 20, 26, I believe. So definitely they're coming in again. Okay. So that's good. Let's bring this up here. All right. So we're looking for new buy signals that came in today. Okay. In Bullmaster Heat Seeker. And then we'll be done. Look at these stocks. Really good. Amazing things have just turned around, but I'm still concerned with this market. Take it day by day. Good buy signal here, choppy, guys. Look at this. Very, very choppy. We don't have a nice, clear, defined markdown phase. Look at the previous trading. Just know that the previous trading, right? All of this confusion will carry over. Okay, so we don't want that. I tell you, here's that Kavana trade again. That trade could really do well. If you didn't get in, don't get in now. All right. Look at Delta. New buy signals. Need to focus here. New buy signals. Remember, these are good for calls too. So they're a bit expensive to trade. Right? Trade the underline, but you can definitely trade call options. Just be careful. Most of these, a lot of these we're in already too. So we're just looking for new buy signals. A really good price action. I say a new buy signal, that blue arrow there, we want it to come in on the day. Okay, I think we're in this one already. Okay. In this one. T-Rex, we're in already, but look at this. Look at that there. Good trade going there. We got in, I believe, yesterday on that. I'll double check just to make sure. If not, I'll send it out again, but I think we're in that one. TREX. Look at Wolf. On the weave right here, look at that. WEAV. And that's it. All right, let me check TREX. I want to make sure. I believe we're in it. Double check. It will be done. So Stock Boss. All right, so we're not in it. No, I'm sorry, Bullmaster. Hold on. That's a good setup there, so just want to make sure. All right, yeah, right here, Trex. We're in it right here. All right. Yep, right here. Okay, so, all right, so we don't have any new picks this evening in Bullmaster, but we've got, like I said, we've got quite a bit. There's certainly enough to trade, right? And then the new one in Stock Boss, COMM. COMM. All right, guys. So not bad, right? Things are looking better. All right. Our Forex traders, monster scalper traders in particular, okay, keep an eye on those euro, right? Euro pairs. They're making a move long. Keep an eye on the dollar pairs. Hold your yen pairs, all right? But just if things change with those, right, you know what to do, all right? All right, guys, take care. And I will see you guys tomorrow. Take it. Okay.
Later.
Good evening. Take care. Bye, guys.